Good morning everyone. Welcome back. All of you be ready with your textbooks and classworks, ma. Okay? Yeah. In the last class, we have completed the first chapter in your maths. Yes or no? Yeah. We did all the problems, all the exercises in your class 8. That is first chapter. Of total, how many exercises are there? Total 3 exercises are there. Okay? We completed all these problems in your last class. Okay? Now we'll start the new chapter, that is second chapter. Chapter name is linear equations in one variable. Okay? Linear equations in one variable. First of all, what is meant by linear equation, ma? Tell me, what is meant by linear equation? See here. If you see here the conversation between Sagar and Lata, by taking this conversation, we'll conclude what is an equation, what is an linear equation. Okay? Here Sagar and Lata are playing with numbers. Okay? They are playing with numbers. Sagar tells Lata, I think of a number, she think a number. Okay? Sorry, Sagar tells Lata. Okay. Sagar tells Lata, I think of a number. Okay. He thought that a number, if I doubled it, okay, he doubled also. And take 7 away. He took 7 away from that number. So, he got total 35. Okay. Can you tell the number that I got, that I thought of you? Can you tell that one? First, suppose if you see here, that number you don't know, first of all. Yes or no? That he thought that the number, that number you don't know. Then what you have to take, just you take that number as x. Okay? Let the number as x. Clear? 1 minute. Okay? Yeah. Let the number be x. Okay, he think that the number, we don't know that number, so you have to take that number as x. Okay, after thinking, what he did, ma? He doubled it. Okay, he doubled it, means by doubling the number will get how much? Doubling in the sense you have to double the number, means it is equal to 2x. Yes or no? It is equal to 2x. Now what he again he took out 7 away from that. Okay, he took out 7 away from that, means took out 7 away from that means it is a subtracting. Okay, next 7 was taken away. Okay, 7 was taken away. What happened? If you have to do the subtraction, means from this number 7 was taken away, means you have to do the subtraction. Okay, after subtraction you will get this one. Clear? And finally, after taking out the 7, he got 35. Total 35. He got total 35. After doing completion of subtraction, he got total how much? 35. Okay. Now, what you have to do, just you have to find out the number from this equation. This is nothing but an equation. Okay, it is also known as a linear equation. Okay, from this equation, from this linear equation, you have to find out one variable, that is number x. Okay, this is known as linear equation in one variable. Clear? This is one variable and this total is known as linear equation. From this linear equation you have to find out one variable, that is number. Which number you get, that number you have to find out. Okay. If you simplify this one, how can you do this, ma? 2x minus 7 equal to 35 is there. So, in LHS what you have to do, just variables, what are the variables are there, that variables only you have to keep in LHS. The remaining terms, remaining numbers which they are including in your LHS, just get it to RHS side. Okay, means transfer that numbers to RHS side. So, here extra is minus 7 is there. Okay, 2 is there, minus 7 is there. First you have to take out means transposing this number to the RHS. Okay, what happened? 35, here minus 7 is there. If you transpose to the RHS, what will happen? Plus 7, it will become plus 7. Okay, this minus 7, if you transpose to the RHS side, it will become as positive 7. Okay, now do addition. 35 plus 7, how much you will get? 42. Yes or no? 42. And here in LHS you are having extra as 2. This 2 is also get transposed to RHS side. Okay, why? Because you have to find out the variable of only one variable, that is x. Okay, this 2 is extra here, so you have to convert you have to transpose this 2 into RHS side. Now what will happen? See, this 2x is there, means it is in multiplication, right? This multiplication, if you transpose to the opposite means RHS side, it will become division. Okay, it will become division. Clear? X equal to 42, this is in multiplication. If you transpose this multiplication to the RHS side, it will become as division. Now do division. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Therefore, finally x equal to 21. This is the number. Okay? Clear? Good. Now, here you got x equal to 21. Whether it is correct or wrong, how can you know that one? Tell me. If you want to check the answer is correct or wrong, what you have to do, just substitute this x value in this equation. Okay, in this equation, means see here 2 into what is x value you got? 21 minus 7 equal to 30, means do first 21 into 2 is how much? 21 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 42. 42 minus 7 is nothing but 35. Yes or no? And RHS equal to 35, LHS equal to RHS. Then you will get the, if you are getting LHS equal to RHS after substituting the answer, then only your answer will be correct. Otherwise, it will go wrong. Clear? This is how you have to find out the linear equations in one variable. Okay? This is a introduction part of your chapter 2. Clear? And next, see the examples here. Okay? If you see the examples, solving simple equation having the variable on one side. Okay? Just I explained now only. That variable you should keep at one side, and the remaining terms which you are having, that can transpose into other side. Okay? If you see here example, solve the equation 3y plus 39 equal to 8. Okay? Here 3y plus 39 equal to 8 is there. This 39 and 3 are extra. So this plus 39 you have to transpose to the RHS side. This positive 39 is transposed to the RHS side, then it will become as negative 8 minus 39. If you do this simplification, you will get minus 31, and here again 3 is extra is there, and it is in the form of multiplication, and if you transpose this multiplication to the RHS side, it will become as division. Okay? And this is your final answer. Okay? Like this. Here also one problem is there. Okay? See here, solve 7 by 4 minus, and after getting the answer, he checked also. LHS equal to 3y plus 39, whatever you got the value of y, just substitute that value in the equation, then you will get the LHS equal to RHS. That's how you have to check the answer. Okay? Now, example 2, 7 by 4 minus p equal to 11. Okay? Here what you have to do, here minus p keep here only. Just this 7 by 4 will transpose to the RHS side. Okay? What happened? Minus p. Then you will get here. Clear? Positive 7 by 4 is become as negative 7 by 4. Minus, do the LCM, you will get like this, minus p equal to 37 by 4. Then you will get the p value. Okay? Here minus p is there. So what you have to do, just multiplying both sides by -1, you will get the p as positive. Okay, and here 37 by 4 is become a negative. Clear? That is how you have to do, and finally you have to check the answer also. Clear? By substituting that value in that equation, then you will get the LHS equal to RHS, then only you will get, your answer will be correct. Okay, see here, after examples you are having exercise 2.1. just solve that equations as it is. I will tell you 2 to 3 problems in this exercise. Remaining problems you have to do by your own. After completion of that, you have to check the answers also. Okay, these are very simple and easy. Clear? Yes. See the first question. What is first question? 6m equal to 12. Okay, I said already, variable is only at one side, so here extra is 6 is there, and 6 it is in the form of multiplication. If you transpose this multiplication number to the RHS side, it will become as division. Clear? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Finally m equal to 2. Okay, and second one also same, third one also same, fourth one also same, fifth one same, sixth one also same. See here, sixth one, n by 7 equal to -3. Okay, n by 7 equal to -3. Here it is in the form of division, and here extra is 7 is there, and it is in division. So if you transpose this divided of 7 into RHS side, it will become as multiplication. Okay, n equal to -3. Okay, n equal to -3, and if you transpose this 7 to RHS side, it will become as multiplication. So total 7 3s are 21, and here my negative sign is there, so you have to keep a negative sign. 3 7s are -21. Clear? This is how you have to do the sixth problem. And seventh problem is also same. Here 2x by 3 equal to 18 is there. This 3 will become to transpose to RHS side, so 18 into 3 equal to answer. Now 2x equal to this answer, x equal to answer divided by 2. Clear? This is how you have to do. And this kind of problem I said in already in examples. 9th one also same, 10th one also same, this one also same, here same, 13th same. I will tell you 14th problem. Okay, and 16th problem. See, what is 14th problem? 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. Okay, here what is there extra? 5 by 2 is there, and 8 is there. So just first what you have to do, just transpose this number to the RHS side. 13 minus 5 by 2. Okay, 8x equal to, y minus you got, here positive is there, so if you transpose to the RHS side, then it will become as negative. Okay, 13 minus 5 by 2. If you do this LCM here, 13 2s are 26 minus 5. 8x equal to 26 minus 5 is your 21 by 2. Okay, and here again 8x equal to 21 by 2, and here extra x 8 is there, so it is in the form of multiplication. Then it will go to if you transpose that number to RHS side, it will become as division. 21 by 2 into 8. Okay, 21 by 16 is your answer. X equal to 21 by 16. Now if this answer is correct or wrong, how can you know? Just substitute this value in this question. Okay, check, and you after completion of your answer, check for all questions also. Okay, do check also. Check 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. 8 into, substitute this x value here, 21 by 16 plus 5 by 2, 12 equal to 13. Okay, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 21 by 2 plus 5 by 12 equal to 13. Now here I am doing here LCM of 2 and 12 is how much? 6. Okay, LCM is equal to 6, means 21 by 2 into 6, sorry 12. 21 by 2 into 12, 2 ones are 2 6 are 21 6 are how much? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 126. Okay, plus 5 by 12. 5 by 12 is nothing but 5. 126 plus 5 is 131 by 12. Okay, equal to how much? Okay, if you simplify this one, you will get LHS equal to RHS. Okay, then your answer will be correct. Like this you have to do the problem. Clear? Next, what is 14th one? Just now we have did. 15th one, same, minus 5 by 3. If you transpose this minus 5 by 3 to the RHS side, then it will become as positive 5 by 3. After getting that, just this multiplication of 4 will be transposed to the RHS side, then you will get the x value. Okay, now this one, I will tell you this problem. 16th question, x plus 4 by 3 equal to 3 into 1 by 2. This is in the form of mixed fraction. This mixed fraction can be converted into, you have to convert in proper fraction. Okay, how can you convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction? Tell me. Just 3 1 by 2 is there. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 by 2. So total 7 by 2. Okay, this is how you have to convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction. Clear? So finally you have x plus 4 by 3 equal to 7 by 2. Now x equal to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. Okay, do LCM. You are getting 6. 7 by 2 into 6 is your 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So total 21 minus 4 by 3 into 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 21 minus 8, how much? 21 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. 20, 21. How much? How much? 13 by 6. X equal to 13 divided by 6 is your answer. Okay, just substitute this value there, then you will get the check. X plus 4 by 3 equal to 7 by 2. 13 by 6 plus 4 by 3 equal to 7 by 2. What is LCM here? 6. 13 plus 8 equal to, means 4 by 3 into 6, in the sense 3 1s are 3 2s are cancel, remaining 4 2s are 8. Okay, 7 by 2. 13 plus 8 is nothing but how much? 21. 21 by 6 equal to 7 by 2 equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 7 by 2 equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, like this you have to find out for all. Clear? By this you have completed exercise 1 in your second chapter. Clear? This is your chapter 2. So how can you start this chapter 2 ma? Just put a heading, linear equations in one variable. After that, write down a side heading as linear equations, this one. Okay, and write this one, an equation from starting from here, an equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0 or ax plus b ax equal to b, where a and b are constants and a not equal to 0, is called linear equations in one variable or simple equations. Write down this definition and write some of the examples. After writing of that example, just start example 1, example 2. After exercise 2, start exercise 2. Complete this total exercise. Okay, till that you have to complete. And one important note ma, in the next week you have to submit your classworks of chapter 1. Okay, you have to send your books with your parents to the school. I will correct your notes and get it your back. Okay, this is your point you have to remember, and make it your classwork will be thorough up to your class. Okay, if you regarding this, if you are having any doubts, please call me, comment me. Okay, just okay, we'll meet in next class. Thank you, bye.